Hello everyone, ¿cómo es? Fait. I have received so many requests for this makeup look right here, and this is what this video is about today. So without further ado, let's get it. I've already started with my eyebrows, but now I'm taking my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer and I'm applying that all over the areas where I have some pores and things, usually around the cheeks and the nose, and I put some on the forehead as well. Then I'm taking my favorite foundation, which is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and I'm applying that to the center of my face-ish, looking kind of cray. But I'm taking that Hourglass foundation brush. This works perfectly with the Vanish Stick Foundation, and I'm just buffing it all out. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer and I'm just applying it under the eyes, on the forehead, the center of my nose, and I'm blending it out with an e.l.f. Beauty Blender. With my e.l.f. highlighter, I'm just dabbing that onto the cheeks right before I set with my Beauty Bakerie flower powder. This is the truth. I love this powder very much. But I look kind of crazy when I put it on. Now I'm taking the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes. I'm taking Riff and applying that to the crease, but I realized it wasn't dark enough, so then I applied Punk to deepen up the outer V. Now I'm taking Wanderlust and I'm applying that to the outer portion of my eye as well. This, this definitely needs to get built up for sure. Then I'm taking Big Sky and I'm applying that to the inner corner of the eye to give it kind of a gradient look, lighter green into the darker green. And then I'm blending in the middle so that way it's like a nice gradient. And I'm wiping away all of the powder from the Beauty Bakerie flower powder. Now with my Urban Decay green eyeliner pencil, I'm applying that to the waterline of my eye. I end up taking Baja and applying that to the crease also just to warm it up a bit. Then with my Pixi mascara, I applied that to the upper lashes as well as the lower lashes. Next, with my Urban Decay Perversion, or I think it's Perversion eyeliner, I created a cat eye with it. It's super precise and super black. I also end up taking some e.l.f. lashes. I forgot the name of these ones, but these were the only ones I could find. Next, I am setting my face. And then I will be doing a bit of contouring using it's my Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette to the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, as well as my nose, just a little bit. I'm not even defining the nose contour. It's just, it's whatever. Then with my Becca highlighter in Chocolate Geode, I'm applying that to the cheeks and the center of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow, the huge. And I'm also applying that to the inner corner to highlight. Next, with my Becca bronzer in Maui, I'm actually using it as a blush. It works perfect for me as a blush. I'm taking my NYX eyeliner in Y2K. It's a dark brown lip pencil, and I'm applying that to the outskirts of my lips. And with this Urban Decay lippy, I forgot the name, but everything's gonna be in the description box. I'm applying that to the lips. Basically, everything that I used will be in the description box, so you know exactly how I pulled this look off. Next, with my Urban Decay All Nighter, I am spraying it on, and yes, that was a weird first spray, but don't mind it. I'm fanning it really, really quick so that way my makeup can set and everything is all amalgamated. And I'm actually taking chocolate geode and I'm applying that to the collarbone and my shoulders to give it a bit of more of a glow, you know? Ippy, that's it. And this completes the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to thank you all so much for supporting me, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.